Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to manually update your games on Steam. So all you have to do is launch the Steam app on your PC. So pressing the start, or rather click on the start button and type in Steam. And then now you should get to this page. And then from here, click on library. And now you should see all the list of the games that you currently have. Now for me, I just have only 3 games. So if you want to manually update a game, all you have to do is click on the game. And then now if there's an update available, before you can play, you should see the option update. So all you have to do is just click on update, and then the update process will begin. So you can also see the progress in here, or you can just click down here, update, and then you should see all the progress of that particular update. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.